So what are you exhibiting this year at Passenger Terminal Expo 2018?
Okay, so we are showing a seamless passenger journey by automating some of the touch points that the passenger go through when he goes through an airport. And that could be like when he has to validate his boarding pass before he goes through security. That can be automated. Boarding the plane, getting to the lounge, or going through immigration.
Tell us about the machine behind us. What's this all about?
So this is, for example, this is an immigration gate where the person will automatically go through immigration, where one agent will be looking at 5 of those lanes, and the passenger will just come here, show his passport, and the data from the passport will be taken, including the chip and his biometrics. And once he steps inside the lane, then the match will be done between the picture on his passport and the live pictures that we're taking. And as long as he's not on any watch list or is a reasonable match with his passport, then he will be automatically processed through. If not, then he will be diverted to a manual check.
So what happens when Matthew presents his passport at the gate?
So what will happen is that the first thing, we will scan his passport, and we will check that it's a valid passport, authenticate passport, not a duplicate or copy or anything like this, by going through all the security features you have on the passport. That will be your first check. Next to that, we will start sending information to the police or to Interpol to make sure he's not on any blacklist. And finally, while he does that, we also capture just a scan of the image that's directly on his passport, the image that's on the chip, and this is the image of him going through. So we can see here that he had a 92% match. He's not on any blacklist, he's got a valid passport, 92% match is high, we can allow him through without any problem.
It's interesting that you've got a wide-angle lens on the camera, so presumably that means the traveller doesn't have to look directly in the camera from a specific position.
Yeah, we are able to catch on the fly, literally, so you don't need to have a very close-up or anything like it, which makes it easier for the passenger.
And faster.
Even faster.
Systems like this do exist. What's the innovation and what's the great leap forward with this technology?
I think we're bringing a new design, a new way of integrating into the airport. Sometimes it's too bulky. We're trying to make it more easy for the passenger to understand the different steps through ergonomics and also through integrating it further so it's less intimidating for the passenger. If you look at the stress curve of the passenger, the higher stress happens in immigration. So we're trying to lower that down to make it better for the passenger.
How useful is it for you to have been here at Passenger Terminal Expo this year?
It's been a great show. I mean, we've been coming for many years now, and I think every year it's better for us. We're more and more known. We bring new products. The people that already knows us, they come and check our new product, and people that don't know us come and see what we have to offer for them. So it's been great.